Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add quick decline message on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up bar show, okay, go to settings. In settings, okay, go to quick decline message. Okay, tap this. In quick decline message, okay, here you can see the write message. You can add message by write on this portion. Okay, for my example, I write, please subscribe to my channel. To add this, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign on the right side. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully add quick decline message on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, we have a remove button on the right side of this decline message. So for my example, I remove the I call you back. So to remove this, you'll have to do is tap the negative sign on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed. And okay, we have successfully add quick decline message on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.